I'm Keith Thompson, CEO of Digital Vision Systems, and joined by Jose Garcia, CTO. DVS has developed the Vision Optimizer, an integrated system for providing vision and eye health care in a new generation of proprietary ultra-high definition eyewear. Our technology will profoundly improve quality, decrease cost, and increase access to vision care across the $35 billion market. I have a proven track record of bringing disruptive technology to the vision care market. I trained as an eye surgeon with domain expertise in physiological optics and vision diagnostic technology. While on the Emory faculty, our team was instrumental in bringing laser vision surgery, which you know today as LASIK and PRK, through the FDA and to market. We monetized that opportunity by launching the first dedicated laser vision center of excellence, Emory Vision, backed by Nora Mosley Partners, a highly reputable Atlanta VC firm. The business that I started and ran was successful, providing Nora Mosley with a profitable exit. The inspiration for digital vision dates back to the days of LASIK clinical trials, where our visual outcomes seemed to fall short of their potential. About that time, Jose Garcia joined our team. Jose, a VC-backed entrepreneur himself, is a biomedical engineer and an experienced manager of large technology projects. After a lot of work, Jose found that the fundamental problem was not our new high-tech laser, but an old, low-tech device, the phoropter. Deficiencies in the phoropter explained not only the variable results from our laser vision surgery, it also explained a dirty little secret in the optical industry, the 10% redo rate for eyeglasses. All of you that have had an eye exam have encountered this instrument. It dates from the late 19th century and has changed little in the past 100 years. The phoropter looks complicated, but it is comprised of nothing more than multiple dials of fixed power lenses. Patients look at an eye chart while the doctor spins lenses while asking the patient which is better, one or two. The resulting combination of lenses becomes your prescription for corrective eyewear. Today, the phoropter still serves as the gatekeeper for all vision correction products for the entire $35 billion vision care industry in the United States. The phoropter impedes quality, adds cost, and limits access to vision care, affecting all aspects of this large industry. Let's see why. The phoropter exam is highly error-prone and requires the patient to perform ambiguous tasks. The resolution of your eyeglasses is limited to that of the lenses in the phoropter. Eyeglasses prescribed by this kludgy system must be redone 10 to 15% of the time, not exactly Six Sigma quality. The phoropter itself is inexpensive, about $5,000, but it must be operated by a $150,000 on-site doctor. Even the most efficient optical retailers can only process about 4 patients per hour per doctor. Phoropter technology limits access because a large dedicated facility is needed to house the exam lane, the on-site doctor, and another room with the pretest equipment to give the phoropter a basic starting point if 4 patients per hour processing can be achieved. A vision exam with a phoropter falls short of a 21st century consumer experience. Jose and I co-founded Digital Vision Systems to create an all-new approach to the vision exam and the process of prescribing corrective eyewear and to fix the unsolved problems in the industry. We removed the optics from the patient's face, placing them above their head to permit testing under natural viewing conditions. We relayed the optics to the patient's eyes using a specially designed concave mirror. We replaced the eye chart with high-resolution digital displays to generate real-world targets instead of just black and white letters. We replaced the fixed power lenses of the phoropter with proprietary, computer-controlled, continuously variable powered lenses that have 25 times the optical resolution of the phoropter's lenses. We added an eye tracking system that maintains alignment of the optics during the test and permits the patient to make normal postural movements during the exam. We did away with the which is better one or two task and gave patients the ability to control the test through an interactive vision dial, much like the multifunction knob in your car, and allowing the patient to perform a task that is as simple as focusing binoculars on a distant object. Finally, we designed the Vision Optimizer from the ground up to be a telehealth platform to allow doctors to perform the entire exam remotely through the internet while consulting face-to-face with the patient through the viewport mirror. The DVO will fix the industry's problems. Through a DVO exam, patients can purchase a new generation of UHD digitally surfaced lenses that provide them with better eyesight and enhanced viewing comfort. They can interactively choose the coatings and filters to customize their vision for workplace activities and select additional pairs for sports and leisure. The industry's 10% redo rate will be cut dramatically. For the first time in the industry, eye doctors will be able to remotely conduct vision and eye health exams, radically changing the cost model for optical retailers. Doctors can conduct remote exams from his office, his home, across the country, or around the world. By eliminating pre-test device and improved automation, we expect to double workflow from 4 to 8 patients per hour per doctor in retail settings. Remotely supervised vision exams will allow vision care to be delivered to new, more conveniently accessed consumer venues such as pharmacy and consumer retail stores, shopping malls, and airports. Finally, the unpleasant 4-opter exam will be replaced by an engaging, interactive 21st century virtual reality experience. After building early-stage prototypes to demonstrate proof of concept, DVS was admitted into Georgia Tech's Venture Lab program, where we team with engineers from the Electro-Optical Systems Lab. We attracted investors who provided funds for us to design and build a fully integrated DVO prototype, and we successfully completed a patient acceptance trial of our technology at Georgia Tech. Industry leaders from all over the world have traveled to see our Vision Optimizer prototype. Our technology appeals to customers in the optical retail and independent channels for different reasons. Optical retailers want to use the DVO to increase workflow and reduce labor cost, and to bring optical retail to new venues. Lens manufacturers and vision insurance companies such as Hoya and VSP, who sell their products to independents, want to purchase DVOs from us and place them with their customers, bundling the cost of the unit with long-term purchase agreements for their product, thereby locking in their customers for many years. How do we make money? Simple. First, we sell units for $75,000 at a 50% margin. Then, we derive recurring royalties on every UHD lens and customized prescription generated through the DVO and manufactured by our optical laboratory partners. We also derive telehealth fees from delivering virtual eye exams on demand to customers and by providing telehealth connectivity between customers' locations. We estimate that a single DVO unit placed will generate over $32,000 in annual recurring revenue from these products and services. What is our addressable market? In the US and Canada, where our go-to-market partners reside, there are approximately 110,000 potential 4-opter replacement opportunities. Our 9 customers represent about 10% or 11,000 unit placements, which will generate $822 million in unit sales plus $384 million in annual recurring revenues. Competition. Right now there is none. Some companies have tried to prescribe eyeglasses online. That's a bad idea for 2 reasons. 1, it doesn't work. And 2, states like Georgia are passing bills that prevent the prescription of corrective eyewear without an eye exam by a doctor. So companies like Opternative and Blink, whose business model disintermediates the doctor, are going to be spending a lot of their investors' money on lobbyists and lawyers. The DVO does not disintermediate the doctor. We employ technology that permits an eye exam and face-to-face doctor-patient consultation to occur over a distance. DVS is seeking a $6 million equity raise to accomplish the following objectives: fulfill our orders, build and place DVO units with our customers, to conduct pilot trials in their stores and clinic to meet specific objectives that will trigger system-wide orders from our customers. The resulting large order book can be financed largely by non-dilutive dollars to scale the business. DVS has a great team of experienced and enthusiastic engineers backed by a highly experienced board of directors with deep industry knowledge. We're looking for financial partners to join us on this exciting voyage to fundamentally change the vision care industry. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to answer any questions.